When you subscribe to FilmHouse Plus, you get access to unlimited weekday movie tickets, up to 15% off foods and drinks. You can beat the cinema queues when you order your tickets, food, drinks from this app. You can rent new releases and watch from the comfort of your home. And also you have access to a large library of movies and series. Now all this starts at $5,999 monthly. So today I'll be reviewing the FilmHouse Plus app and I have some cool details to share with you. I'm also going to show you exactly how to get started with this app, the plans and other enticing details. Drum roll please. First, let's talk about the goodies FilmHouse Plus subscription comes with and where you can get this app. With the FilmHouse Plus subscription, you get unlimited weekday ticket. And for a movie lover like me, this is a big deal. Imagine having access to non-stop movies during the weekday. Like, where was this during my NYC days? You don't even need to queue. Easily order your tickets from this app and walk right through. You also get 15% off food and drinks. This can save some bucks, especially if you're going out with friends and just tell them, bills on me. Stream free epic cinema movies, series, classic films, throwback, and so much more. Now, if you're a family person and you're concerned about parental control, FilmHouse Plus provides safe viewing for children and overall friendly content to keep the young ones entertained. At this point, I think I'm giving away too much goodies, but since I'm a nice person, I'll keep sharing. As a member of FilmHouse Plus, you get exclusive VIP access to new movies, movie premieres, and other special events. Now, this is something I'd love to be a part of. Imagine me at the red carpet, taking selfies, hanging out with celebrities, sharing them on social media. Like, I'll get you guys jealous. You also have access to exclusive merchandise, plus a month or two when you do the annual subscription. You can rent new movies and watch them from the comfort of your home. Now tell me if this is not a good bargain for that monthly token you're paying for. I know you're wondering, how do you get this app? You can get this app by visiting your app store on your iOS or your Android device. For Android, search for FilmHouse Plus and click download. For iOS, search for FilmHouse. I'll go ahead and leave a link in the description on how to download the app on your various devices. As for the packages, the FilmHouse Plus subscription starts at $5,999, which is the FH Plus Silver. This gives you access to watch premium and standard format movies on the weekday. The second plan is the FH Plus Platinum, which is priced at $8,999. This gives you access to IMAX, MX4D, DBOX formats for free during the weekday. Now, I'll walk you through on how to sign up on the FilmHouse Plus app and do your subscription. It takes less than a minute to sign up. For iOS users, you have to sign up on your phone browser or your laptop. But for Android users, you can sign up directly on the app. For iOS users, go to filmhouseng.com and click on the menu. Then you click on Join Our Club, which will take you to a page that shows the plans and benefits. Choose your preferred plan, click Subscribe, and continue. This will take you to the Create Account page. You fill in your name, your last name, email, phone number, and password. Read and accept the terms and conditions, then click Sign Up. This will take you to a payment gateway. Fill in your card details and press Proceed. Now you have full access to FilmHouse Plus. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys.